Funky D. Everybody, welcome back to Funky D's News Time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the news when I get for now today, now still on Sowore matter. The issue be say APC policy they cause problem in that nation. APC and Jubri policy they cause confusion in that nation. And this set of people, once again, now them be the problem when Nigerian people get today. Yes, all of us don't see Sowore don't go court. He don't come out. He don't go court. Again, the same court. Tell and say Sowore go pay 100 million as ransom. No put on like that. You know say na kidnap, then kidnap the guy. Now, na ransom. Then won't make the guy pay 100 million. Not be smart. You know the reason why when I never make the video since yesterday when this thing don't happen, be see, I dey think about them. In fact, well, yes, the court say Sowore go pay them 100 million for insulting Buhari and for being a corrupt person, according to waiting the court and Buhari and the Jubri them, then they tell everybody. When the whole world already know say the man not do anything. In fact, the man when he would Sowore they stand trial today where they call Jalingo, that one go pay 50 million. Why Sowore 100 million? Not only that one, ladies and gentlemen. That one not day enough. They can't say the people when go sign shorty for Sowore na 2 people. And all of them must to get property in Abuja there. You get? And they must to bring the original copy of their landed property or any kind of property when they want present as shorty to bill or to stand for Sowore. I say APC and the judge and the court and all of them, they not even stop there. They come to say they won't see Sowore in Abuja. Sowore no go participate in any rally or any political event. Okay. Sowore no dey leave Abuja. Abuja no be Sowore house. Sowore na guy when we say na Lagos, the man dey stay. Na Lagos, the man no. Waiting make these people when we say they no respect the first court order. They talk say Sowore no come out for Abuja, and Abuja he must to stay and you know go do anything. Upon say they don't seize the gentleman international passport. Upon say they talk say the man must present his international passport. Say the man no go come out for Abuja. For what, ladies and gentlemen? For fighting for freedom? I be for calling for protest. We don't know the reason why. Whether not for fighting for freedom or for being a freedom fighter. And they make them they tell and say no, come off Abuja and then they go pay 100 million Funky D. No. At the end of the day, let's say them pay this 100 million now. The 100 million now 1 person pocket, everything go end. Everything, the whole money go end. But make we be sincere to each other. Waiting Sowore don't do when make government say him must to pay 100 million. And where una want me Sowore get the money from. Even the money when they claim say in London through his account to account, his own personal account to ladies and gentlemen, the money not even reach 10 million. Me will calculate, ladies and gentlemen, it not even reach anything. The man when they say, when they talk say, make him pay 100 million. Where una want make him get 100 million? Actually, Showore never hold any political office in that country. Showore not do nothing. Now, it not be politician when they thief money, because we know see all the whole Nigerian politicians, all of them, they thief, they loot our money day by day. Look at Okorocha there. Okorocha is free. After looting trillions from the Imo State people, it's still there, that place. How many millions when they ask Okorocha to bring for the looting when he loot? The killers, they there, they march up and down. Boko Haram, Hesmin, they there, they march up and down. Even when they catch these people, then they allow these people, ladies and gentlemen, press, they come, they gather them, they ask them question. So, waiting these people they hide when it come be say they don't want me sure even say a word to the press men. Waiting can't be the problem when be say anytime when she want raise a voice, nyan, then go they drag them in the DSS, no one make it speak, they don't want make it talk, they don't want make it do anything. But if they catch all those, if they mistakenly catch the Boko Haram, maybe there are 2 or 3 of them. Una know see after they don't catch them finish, as soon as they turn off the camera, they don't release them. They don't release them immediately. In fact, in most cases, these DSS and police now people when they act for them, then they carry come. They go tell us see, they don't catch Boko Haram, they don't catch repentance Boko Haram, they don't repent to, they don't catch 20, they don't catch 30. All these things now stage work, ladies and gentlemen. Now staging APC government, including PDP, throughout their tenure, are staging the stage Nigerian people. The same thing APC don't carry. Now staging, then they stage us. Now, let's assume say, then they catch those people. Then they allow these people, they answer their question. Then they ask them question, and the criminals then go answer jelly without even forcing them. And these are criminals when we say they don't kill. They don't, in fact, they don't suck blood tire. Now, the government, they go leave them work out. How many millions we don't ask these people to bring come? How many millions APC we don't ask these Boko Haram people, Hesmin people to bring come? Showore when we say now freedom in the fight for, in the speak for, in the stand for a lot of people in that nation. Showore policy not be APC policy. The way Showore won't organize not be the way when APC and PDP then they organize things. That is why you see now millions of people all over the world, including Funky D1 of Canada, we they call on Nigerian government, make una release Showore, make una leave Showore unconditionally. You get now to una when be Nigerian people. A lot of things when we say we don't talk on this platform. A lot of things where I don't give people, millions of people, advice. Nigerian people, make una go this way, make una go that way, make una see what thing they come, make una see as it be. Now, today, everybody, they dance to our tune. Everybody know now say, waiting for Kitty and other people, when be freedom fighter, then they talk. Now, so it be, everything when they talk today now, some people just they talk like say now today, then begin hear them from this in this platform or from other people. You get? So, where should Showore won't get 100 million? In fact, the same people when they Showore make him bring 100 million, though na different person, but na the same court, all of them na judges, all of them. Ijoma na judge. The other man when be Taiwo, all of them then be judge. So, waiting be the why it can't be say Justice Taiwo tell the court say make them release Showore, making submitting passport. That time, the first day when the carrier go do the judge, when the judge for there, where then go. So the first person come tell and say release Showore, make him bring in passport. Then anytime when court need them, Falana when being lawyer go bring Showore come. APC people and the Jubri and the Kabas then say no, say they no go release Showore. So now, this second one where they do now, this last one now where they come talk say, make him bring 100 million. Inside the same court, ladies and gentlemen. Inside the same court, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the government, the APC people, the Jubri and his cabas, or the cabas, then they buy them. Because now then won't use them, punish Sowore. In fact, now on herself, una they punish. Una they ask Sowore make him bring 100 million. Sowore they loot like the way one they loot. Abi, una think say get where Sowore go loot money. Just exactly the same way when una they loot our money 247. Thinking say we no go know. Where should una think say una that judgment be Ijoma? Where you think say Sowore go get 100 million. Where una think say Nigerian politicians, Nigerian APC people, where una think say the gentleman go get 100 million. Even if he get time, he get children, he get family, even if he get that money, then he go come carry the money, come give the government. Abi? So, ladies and gentlemen, anywhere where we dey, all over this world, when you be Nigeria, you say you be Nigerian person, we need to stand up. I don't start again. No. We need to stand up. This one not be the way when we supposed to they go. We are going to a very wrong direction. We they go very, very wrong direction. APC, the Corona, they go wrong direction. Make una stand up. I don't tell una before. If you know, if not be you today, if it be you tomorrow. The way when our politicians, when be APC people, then they carry us, they go. Now inside darkness, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, Nigeria, they on fire. Fire don't they already did that nation. Which court did they do? Which country did they do that one? Court don't bail you. Again, the same court come back again. After they don't say go, at the end of the day, they're not come bail, they're not fit, they're not going to release you. You come back to the court again. And not they carry the case, give another person because the case not favor them. Now, the person where they carry the case, go meet, go tell, say the same person where they don't already bail. When they say no, make it come bring 100 million. In the name of all these things, ladies and gentlemen, in the name of this 2023, I don't tell on her before. Say Sowore, na big bone when they their neck, when the APC and PDP neck. Don't be surprised. This plan na APC and PDP plan. And that bone when they on our throat, when be that Sowore, una no fit swallow amu. And now by force, una go take vomit and come out. Una no fit swallow Sowore. Make una continue to they do what una they do. Everybody now don't know. The whole world don't know now. The whole Nigerian people don't know now. Say man, Sowore na the only way. If not be Sowore, Nnamdi Kanu. Now so them beza. And now so it must to be. If una not allow Sowore out, making come take a mandate as the Nigerian president come 2023. Nnamdi Kanu don't go. They don't go. That's so it be. And now these two people, I don't tell them see, now dear me a stand. If not be Sowore, make Biafra come. Make Nigeria divide. This Hausa, Fulani people, their own, don't they too much, ladies and gentlemen. Their own don't they too much. Una won't be thief. Una won't be bloodletting men. In fact, Funky D say, enough is enough. This is just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. This one, na the beginning. Una know say power na by struggle. Na struggle show already struggle so. And we go the queue with Sowore. We go stand with Sowore. Ladies and gentlemen, if we close our mouth, make you remember, say government, they never close their mouth. They never stop one day. They never relent one day. Including the Ruga, everything, they go on. Everything, they go on. As Funky D, they speak to now. So, where these people think say Sowore go get 100 million? It remains small for say na billions because na then sabi money. Now then sabi see millions and billions. That's why I see. In fact, now bringing 100 million as ransom not be the same thing like being in prison, because I know say the money it go dey difficult for people to be able to raise that kind of money. In fact, for people when we say they steal like una know say the money go dey very very difficult for people like Sowore when they thief like una, when they loot like una, when they kill like una. A man when his hand clean, ladies and gentlemen, we have to rise up and say enough is enough to this APC policy. Like I said before, APC policy na nice can scatter that nation. People when they're supposed give this kind of bail condition, they know if we give them bail condition. And those people that they release, then they allow them go. But people when not do nothing, na him una they slam with 100 million naira. Where una think say this gentleman will get this money? This one not be another punishment. And my question again, why can't be say first time the judge they don't tell us say good? This one now, una not allow him go that time. And this one now, una say me go bring 100 million. The same court where all these things they happen. So where can be that transparency into una government? Where that una integrity when una they brag for? Where that straightforwardness when una they brag for saying una holy pass, una know they thief, you bring not they commit bad thing, not they do bad thing, everything when you do na good thing. Where una integrity day? Where that honesty day? Because as a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, the way when these people don't talk, this is in fact military era that we did. Buhari and APC, they don't put the judiciary system, they don't put them for their handpit. Everything when they there, now then they control them. Look at now, an Igbo woman, because that is German an Igbo woman. You go look Sowore to his face finish, you go tell Sowore say me go bring 100 million. I don't understand. Though we already know, see, you don't carry Ghana Moscow, just like other APC people. We don't know say government no go allow Sowore go just like that. We know say things like this go come up, but there is no time when from Kiddy say it go even reach even 20 million when they go call. Now, in fact, I said I make me enough. I not come out since all these days. Since yesterday now when this thing don't happen, I not come out because I did think and say, man, how can Nigerian government tell somebody like Sowore when not they thief money like them, when not they do behave like them, say make him bring 100 million so that it go come out from where them put her. Again, thanks to Mr. Falana, because the man they walk, the man they try. So, ladies and gentlemen, we go keep on supporting Sowore. We go keep on standing behind Sowore until Sowore is released. Because now when they don't talk, say, in one go, they go bring 100 million. We are not sure because we don't hear them again. I say, now the same government, they don't talk, say, man, say Sowore, na threat to them, who say they not go release the guy. Even on top this 100 million, when they tell and say, make you go bring home. Say they no go release her. Say na threat to the nation. Say it go run like Mazen and the Kano. Now the thing when they make them fear. But from Kidi they assure I say Sowore not they run go nowhere. The man they for America. They live in best life. Now I can't say man. The thing what they do to him people, the oppression don't do too much. Now I make Sowore say okay, make him go back to Nigeria. Go stay. So that he go try to see whether he go deliver in people. Now the thing when they work on, government say no, you not fit deliver anybody. You they open, waiting we don't close. We don't want make you they call our name. We don't want make you they talk say we be corrupt people. We don't want make you they see us up and down, left and right. Now I be the one when they so. Now I be the one when Sowore they so. But we will continue to believe say one day they come. Sowore must to definitely come out. And no matter how on a lock Sowore reach. Anything when God says Sowore go be, it must to be. If Sowore get that head to wear that crown or that cap, Showore must definitely wear them. In fact, we don't see the sign already. And I be the anger. Now be the problem when APC get. Showore now the problem of the nation. Showore not do anything to nobody. So ladies and gentlemen, from KDC, make we continue to stand behind Showore until when these criminals, when be APC, these blood-leading APC people, these killers, until when they go release Showore. Get. Make we stop this matter here. But will they come back? Because on still on this Showore again. Because story continue as the matter they unfold from KDC, you go to bring them. You can't give them to honor the way when it happen. But the thing when the worst thing when DSS do now the disgrace when they disgrace Showore, mesmerize this man in the present or in the face of the whole world. They drag the man when one talk to the press people.
Showore, they disgrace themselves.
But the disgrace when I think say una they disgrace the man now on herself. Una disgrace. Una they reduce on herself to zero. Already una don't reduce on herself to zero because we don't see nothing when DSS, police, army, all of una combined together. They feed do for Nigerian people. All of una corrupt. All of una corrupt. And to let una know say una not be anything. Una they hungry. Una they go kill innocent people because of 10 naira, because of 20 naira. I mean the DSS and police and army when they collect bribe from Okada people. If Okada man say no give, they go kill her. Make una see the way one don't reduce on herself, even reduce the nation to zero. Now on herself, what they do, what I think say, when they do Showore, when they do Showore, all of them do on herself. Because today now, if you dey for your house, you dey hungry, your children not see money, not be Showore, not be from KD Kosan. Now the government of APC when una they support. When una they support because see una they fear. Like say una they see Hong Kong people. And those people when they protest in Hong Kong, now students, ladies and gentlemen. Not be men, now students in Hong Kong. Make una go check for those of you who never see them before. Make una go watch them. Make una see how protest it be. Now I make me from they don't tell una see if we are not matching millions, government they no go listen to una. All of una go there, they waste our time. Free Showore APC and free Showore Jobre. Funky D. One of Canada. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you never subscribe to my channel before, begin subscribe. You never watch before, watch, share. Share them. So that the world will know the bad things when Nigerian government they do. The oppression, where they oppress Omoyele Showore and 200 million Nigerian people. We know see a day they come, we must be free. Whether these people like it or not. Bye. I want love from Canada.